Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the Powerbeats Pro. Now these have been out for a little while, but I haven't been able to get my hands on them, and then we had them at local stores, so I decided to pick some up. Now they come in at a pretty expensive $249.99. Let me go ahead and take the wrapper off here. And what's different about these, since Apple owns Beats, these act very much like AirPods. So you can take one out of your ear and it will stop playing, or you can just use one at a time and charge it in the case. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got here. Okay, nothing in this box here. And it looks like this is probably the headphones. There they are. It's pretty big, actually, considering the size of the case. Set that aside for just a moment. Let's take a look inside. So inside, it looks like we have a lightning adapter. So we've got a lightning cable, USB to lightning. And then, let's see here, we can pull out some of this literature here. And then inside here, we've got a couple different earbud size for your different ears and things like that. So if you have smaller ear canals or larger, you've got different sizes available for that. Now, as far as the literature or documentation, it's all very nice, talks about how to use it and everything else. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. We've got a Beats sticker, and then we have some safety and handling and a little bit of warranty information. Here is the Beats case itself. If we look around the outside, you'll see we have a lightning adapter right there and nothing else. It's kind of a plasticky material. Let's open it up, and inside it says to pair, keep earphones in case. So I'll bring in my iPhone here, and immediately it starts to pair just like AirPods do. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. Powerbeats Pro, and that's it. We've got our charge status of both the earbuds and also the case. Now this case should handle about 24 hours worth of charging between using the Powerbeats Pro themselves and the case, and each one of these should last up to 9 hours by itself. We've got a volume rocker here. These should be adjustable around your ear pretty comfortably. You'll see they charge down here on the bottom. They have microphones as well, so you can use the Siri capability by saying hey in front of that, because this uses the Apple H1 chip inside. So it's got all of that Siri functionality, or you can push the B button to get Siri. So you can use Siri with it. Now, also, these detect if they're in your ear or not. So just like AirPods, they'll detect whether or not they're in your ear, and then they'll play either way. So let me put one in my ear and then also see if we can get Siri to work on it. When you put them in your ear, you actually hear a little ding from them, just like you would with AirPods, but it's a different sound. So now if we hold the B button on my left ear, what is the weather today? So you get the idea. It's very similar to AirPods. Let me take a listen and just let you know how they sound initially, because it's going to take me a week or so to determine whether or not I like them, or at least a few days of using them regularly. So let me go ahead and play some music. Now, after an initial listen, they're actually pretty comfortable. They sit in the ear comfortably. I'll have to maybe try some different sizes, but overall they're pretty good. They have that typical Beats sound. Bass is very heavy, and that's what I think most Beats customers want. They sound pretty good thanks to that H1 chip, though, with a little bit higher bandwidth for audio, but they are Bluetooth headphones, and I typically think if you want an audiophile headphone, you're probably not going to go Bluetooth anyway. But these are working really well at what they're intended for, and that's really for working out and things like that. They're sweat and water resistant, and they are, like I said, fairly comfortable. Compared to AirPods side by side, you'll see there's a very big size difference in the two, and AirPods themselves are very small. So very small and lightweight. The Beats are a little bit heavier, but they're not uncomfortable because they've got this little band over your ear. So they work really well, and with iOS 13, you could pair both and share with a friend if you'd want to your iPhone, and I'll talk about that in a different video. But if you'd like to see a comparison between the Powerbeats Pro and AirPods, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make that video. But I need to use these for at least a few days before I make a determination on what I think about them. Let me know what you think about the Powerbeats Pro in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos like this as soon as they're released. Also, if you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, I'll link it in the description as I always do. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.